And the fact is that I've been looking into the brokers that allow the trading for the United States traders, and I've come up with a few brokers that are maybe a bit above the average, above the other brokers, and one of these brokers is definitely the RBoptions. Now, RBoptions is a Canadian broker which is offering its services for around 3 years now, and based on the previous experience of other traders, and I should say that the RBoptions is one of the safe and secure brokers, and especially, I mean, it's very good that it offers trading for United States residents. Now, as I said, RBoptions is a Canadian company, a Canadian broker, but it is also, its main markets are Canada and Australia and also United States. Now, they are in the process of getting the full regulation for the Canadian and Australian market, but they will still keep the US clients. So in any case, this is very good also for the US clients. It means they get a bit more insurance if the broker gets regulated. But if you know the situation, what is the main problem is because the brokers that offer the trading for the European Union or for other world countries, if they get regulated for the EU market, then they cannot offer trading for the US market. So this is the main problem why the majority of the brokers do not offer trading for US market. But in case of the RBoptions, the story is a bit different. As I said, they're a Canadian broker, and they're getting regulations for the Australian and the Canadian market, and they will still keep the US traders, which is a very good thing. So if you're a United States resident and looking for a good broker to trade with, I would definitely recommend RBoptions. At least take a look at their website and what they offer. Now, in continuation, I just want to show you a little bit about the platform. So in comparison with some of the best EU brokers or some of the other world brokers, the RBoptions is also very good, because I want to show you what they offer. So they offer classic binary options trading, which is basically up-down or call-put trading. But you can already see here for the euro-dollar currency, they offer the 85% return, which is a very high return. And I was especially surprised to see their return rate for the US dollar Swiss franc, which is 88%. Now this is, I think this is the highest return rate that I saw for any asset by any broker. I mean, this is for the basic trading account. Some brokers offer premium accounts. If you deposit more money, you can maybe get a bit higher returns. But for the basic trading account, 88% on the US dollar Swiss franc, I mean, this is the highest return. So this is just one of the things, of course. Now, I've been checking into their asset list, so it may be not so extensive. They offer basic currencies, but if you're a currency trader, you'll be able to find your favorite currencies here. As for the commodities, they offer a bit more extensive list than some other brokers. You can see here. And for the indexes, they offer the major world indexes and also some of the stocks. So, I mean, you should find your favorite assets here in any case. And okay, so let's go back to the their trading offer. So the next thing is they offer also long-term trading, and you can check the expiry rates, I mean expiry times here. So you can see it's like 2 days in advance, or 1 week, 2 weeks, and so on. And you can even trade a few months in advance, like you can see this is 30th of September and we are now the 5th of May. So you can select a really long-term expiry times even for the next year, as you can see here. This is just one of the features, maybe interesting feature for someone. But usually binary options traders trade with short expiry times. And one of the things regarding the short term expiries is their 60 seconds trades. Now they're not just offering the 60 seconds, but they're also offering 90 seconds, 120 seconds, 180 seconds, and 5 minutes. And this is especially good if you have some trading strategies for short-term trading. It is a very good thing to have selections like this. So for all types of trading, they basically often offer the 70% return, which again is fairly high. I mean, you can get some other platforms, maybe not so much for the US market, but for the European market, which will offer you a bit higher return rates on the maybe 5-minute expiries or so on, which could be, let's say, 72% or maybe somewhere even to 75%. But in any case, this is a very good return rate for short-term trades. Now they also offer one-touch trading, and here you can see, let's say, they offer one-touch trading for some of the indexes and some of the stocks, and here you can see the strike rate which you have to achieve, and basically it's, here you can see the goal rate. Here you can see the strike rate. Here you can see the position of the price right now, and this is the amount that you want to invest, and this is the expiry of the option. So one-touch trades have a little bit longer expiry. As you can see here, this is the end of the week option for Google. If you like one-touch trading, you might want to have a look into this one. And also they offer the pairs trading or pair stocks trading. This is one of the interesting things where you compare two different stocks and how they perform in relation one to the other. Usually you would have to take a look at some of the other charts, because here you can see only the first stock, and for the pair stocks trading, it is very good to watch two different charts of the both stocks and then compare them. I have something more on this on my website. If you need more information about binary options trading, please take a look at www.realbinaryoptionsreviews.com. I'll be happy if you can visit my website, take a look at some other videos. And okay, so this would be about the RB options. Now, one of the other things, of course, is the minimum deposit for you to start trading is $250, and the minimum amount per trade is $5. So they have some more information here on their website. They have quite good, I mean, they have very good education program where you can see the basic videos, which you can find on many other platforms, but they also have some other information. They have a very good customer service, and you can also chat online. If you just click here, you'll be able to ask them all your questions that you might have about